Hey, what's up guys? It's me, Eric B, and welcome back to the channel. And in this video, we're going to be swapping out the clutch and brake lever here on the Panigale V2. And as you can see, the stock levers aren't too bad. They actually look pretty decent, and at least they come in black. But we're going to be swapping them out with some TWM levers that I have right here. This is the packaging that they come in, and you do get both clutch and brake lever. And I will open this up here in just a second and lay everything out and show you what we're working with. But real quick, I am not a fan of shorty levers. I know a lot of people like to put those on their bikes. I just like the standard length. That's just how I've always done it. And the one good thing about these levers is they are foldable. So, you know, if I want to say, like, if you lay your bike down or something like that, I guess they fold up and won't break. Or if you're trying to maneuver it or something, you need to fold it up for whatever reason. If you guys actually know the true reason why they're foldable and the purpose of that, definitely let me know that in the comments below. But yeah, you do have that option there. And just overall that I've noticed in the past with other levers that I put on some of my other bikes is just the feel of the lever overall usually feels a lot better than the stock one. So let's go ahead and get these laid out and show you what we're working with. All right, got everything out of the package, and this is everything you get. So you got each lever, and then you get the little pins that go in right here. As you can see right there, you have to replace them right in there. And then you get the little instructions for each side to replace it, and that's it. But as you can see, quality and everything isn't too bad. Let's see here, so once I get the stock one off, I want to see if there's like a weight difference or anything like that. But other than that, guys, let's go ahead and get them installed. All right, so what we're going to do is start on the clutch side here, and usually that's the easiest one to do. But you're going to need a 10mm for the nut that's here on the bottom, and then a 4mm hex for the top here, and then we can go ahead and get it off. Now, as you can see, as you pull this out right here, because that's the only thing that holds that lever on is just this pin right here. Oh, I just dropped it. But there's going to be the push pin right inside this rubber boot. You just need to pull that out. All right, one thing you'll notice once you take these off is, if I can get this thing to focus, these little pins in here screw into the stock one, and on the aftermarket one, they don't screw in. You just slide it in just like that, and it'll stay in place. All right, and I just wanted to weigh these real quick just to see if there's even a slight difference in the weight. I mean, it really doesn't matter or anything because it's so minimal, but here is the stock lever here, and I don't know how accurate this is gonna be just because of the way how long it is and everything on here. So we got 4.7 ounces, and then the aftermarket lever, I don't know, it's gonna be really close. 4.8, wow. So the aftermarket one's literally like 0.1 of an ounce heavier, which, I mean, it's really nothing, but there you have it. All right, so what you're gonna do first, per the instructions there, you're gonna wanna get this pin inserted into the little rubber boot here, and you wanna make sure you grease the pin up and everything, because that's what it calls for. So slide that on in there, and once that's in there, get the lever on, and then it's easy peasy, good to go. Just like that, you wanna make sure it gets over the lip, and then that's in there. All right, and lastly, go ahead and take your lever and slide her in there, and you just want to make sure this pin right here goes right in that little hole right there. So just want to line it all up, put that in there like so. Line your hole up, take your pin, slide it back through the top there, screw it in, and then you're good to go. All right, I don't know the specific torque value on this for some of you that are OCD about that, but I think if you get it good and tight, you'll be good to go. All right, so I wanted to show you real quick. You see these levers fold up and down, as you can see right there, and you can tighten it up right here. There's a nut and a bolt that runs through there. And then on the back side here, you have a little knob that you can twist and turn, and it will adjust. You can see it moving. It will adjust your lever in and out based on the size of your hand and everything. And there you go. All right, and no different on this side. You got your bolt that runs there, and then the nut on the bottom, and then that should come right out. All right, guys, and basically the same exact thing that's on the other side. These levers are way too easy to install. So once you get that little pin and the little rubber boot there, just go ahead and get it lined up in that hole. Let's see here. Sure I got this all lined up. There we go, just like that. Here's that little nut, just in case you guys wanted to see it. Goes just right underneath on the bottom there. All right guys, it's that simple, and here's the before and the after. All right guys, that's it. Super easy install, very quick, took no time at all, and very low difficulty. And I think these levers look very nice. I don't know, what do you guys think? Let me know down in the comments below. But shout out to Manny at Moto Million. If you're looking to pick up some levers for your bike, not just Ducati, but some other brands as well, definitely head over to the site. I will leave a link down in the description below. And other than that, I hope this video helped you out. If you are first time just jumping into this and you're kind of worried on, what you got to do, but like I said before, super easy, not hard at all. And other than that, I will see you guys in the next one.